That got us better sales. So we have seen an increase in sales, basically because we have better prepared salesmen on the front line. My name's Scott Davis. I'm the Digital Development Manager for Sandvik Mobile Crushes and Screens. Sandvik is a global engineering group with around 40,000 employees operating in 160 countries globally. Our main focus is on delivering our customers with increased productivity, performance, and of course safety. So the way we work within Sandvik, we have two models. Basically, we have our own sales representatives in our sales areas around the globe. And in addition to that, we have our own dedicated distributors, which basically are our local presence and represent our brand in the market. At the moment, with the distributors and own internal salespeople that we have there, we have around 3,000 people there. That's going upwards every day, and we should, once we captivate our entire potential of our sales team, we should be around 5,000 users. The journey started in the way that we used to have actually a very similar tool in-house, developed by myself back in 2012. But basically, the demand on upkeeping such a tool and to actually achieve that is pretty high. So we decided to look for a partner who has basically a similar tool to what we used to refer to as our sales file. And Showell is basically a direct match to that. The key thing when we were selecting the platform is to take into account that we're not just looking at our own internal users. So we need to have that aspect to be able to reach out and reach our distributors' sales staff, because at the end of the day, they're the most important people that we have out in the market there, because we want to make sure in amongst other products that they may represent, that the Sandvik products are the, let's say, the easiest to sell, and that all the material that those people need is in hand with them when they're in front of the customer there. When it comes to feedback from the front line, so we refer basically to all our people that are out there visiting customers, our sales staff, also our service staff, and they're key that we also give Showell to our service staff as well, because sales makes the first sale to a customer. It's the service guys that are there visiting them on a daily basis that ensure that second sale, third sale, that those actually keep occurring, because it's part of the experience of dealing with someone. So we make sure that everyone has it there, and when they're out there on the front line, it's great to hear the feedback from the sales guys, the service guys, that hey, they have everything they need on hand when they need it. Basically, Showell has made it so that anybody can be a sales guy there on the front line, give that initial pitch for any of our products.